Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining today on our coffee break webinar on Now What? How to use program evaluation findings for project continuous improvement. We're so thrilled that you decided to take time to join us this afternoon. Hopefully you have a hot cup of coffee with you to learn as you take a quick break from other assignments that you have. We want to make sure that your experience this afternoon is a positive one, and to help aid that, make sure to ask any questions that you have. If you look on your screen on the right-hand side, there's a place for you to be able to enter in questions. And we have with us Madison Doty, our research assistant, and Elise Hopes to help field some of those questions. Pivoting. Pivoting is a word that we've heard a lot of right now. Pivoting is when the data tells you that you need to go into a different direction. Pivoting is when your expected approach to achieve an outcome doesn't work and you need to change or pivot to another direction or another approach. In grants, needing to pivot to achieve goals and objectives is common. And I think that part of the utility of evaluation is that evaluation provides a formal process for pivoting. While there are many different definitions for evaluation, the one that I like to use is this one. Evaluation is the use of social science research methods to systematically investigate the effectiveness of social intervention programs. Let me take a moment right here to real quickly introduce myself. I'm Lana Rucks, the principal consultant with the Rucks Group. The Rucks Group is a research and evaluation firm that gathers, analyzes, and interprets data to enable our clients to measure the impact of their work. We were formed in 2008, and over the past several years, we have worked with primarily higher ed entities on grants funded by federal agencies such as the National Science Foundation, Department of Education, and Department of Labor. During our time together, there are 4 things that I'm hoping to accomplish. First, I want to show how reframing the purpose of evaluation will help aid in thinking about using evaluation for continuous improvement purposes. Next, I want to talk about developmental evaluation and how developmental evaluation is another way of using evaluation findings towards continuous improvement efforts. Then I want to address another issue that can be very challenging for projects, and that's how to get other people on board. How do you rally the troops, in a sense, of other individuals who are willing to use program evaluation results for continuous improvement? And while it's listed here last, it's definitely not least, we want to make sure that we're answering your questions. So again, any question that comes up, make sure to pose those on the question side of your screen. So let's go ahead and get started.